Baby Jessica. More from the Iowa Almanac in a moment.
Happy summer, Iowa. Iowa History Journal's July-August issue is packed with stories including the history of the classic summertime tale State Fair, Iowa's Revolutionary War Memorial, Vietnam POW and veteran Larry Spencer, the 1976 bicentennial, and an Iowa journalist in Richard Nixon. Pick up the July-August issue of Iowa History Journal at Barnes & Noble, Hy-Vee, Walgreens, and Books A Million, or visit iowahistoryjournal.com to subscribe today.
On February 8, 1991, Clara Clausen of Cedar Rapids gave birth to a daughter. 2 days later, she signed adoption papers, as did the girl's biological father, Scott Seefeld. The baby girl was adopted by Jan and Roberta DeBoer of Ann Arbor, Michigan. They named the girl Jessica. But Seefeld was not actually Jessica's biological father. Instead, a man named Dan Schmidt was. Schmidt and Clausen broke up shortly after Clausen discovered she was pregnant, and she never told him about the baby. Less than a month after the baby was adopted, Clausen had second thoughts about the adoption and contacted Schmidt. They filed a legal action to have the adoption nullified since Schmidt, as the biological father, had not signed away his parental rights. They also got married. After a district court ruled that the baby needed to be returned to Iowa, the DeBoers filed an appeal. In December 1992, the Iowa Supreme Court ruled 8-1 in favor of the Schmidts. The DeBoers appealed, this time in Michigan, since that's where the child was living. They lost in court there, too, and the U.S. Supreme Court refused to hear the case. By this time, the case had drawn massive national publicity. On August 2, 1993, while a television audience watched, a crying Jessica was returned to her biological parents in Cedar Rapids. The stress of the situation was apparent. Both the Schmidts and DeBoers wound up divorcing. But the girl, now named Anna Schmidt, appears to have grown up normally and has avoided the spotlight. In fact, she says she has no recollection of the custody change, which happened on live television on this date in 1993. And that's Iowa Almanac for August 2nd. Follow us on Twitter at Iowa Almanac. Until tomorrow, I'm Jeff Stein.